Got on my deep vein thrombosis stockings. I'm the sexiest man in town. I got a tube coming out of my cock-a-doodle-doo and my ass hanging out of a gown. Yeah, I've got that look, that hospital look. You've seen it again and again. I'm having what they call a procedure. It's called plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. When a number one is no more fun, it's time for plumbing for men. When you hope that it's not gonna hurt at all, no pain with any luck. But when she says this is gonna feel uncomfortable, you know it's gonna hurt like comparison. Imagine torture at Guantanamo Bay. Well, compared to catheterization, my boy, Guantanamo Bay is a summer holiday. Yes, it's plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. When your water pistol's performance is abysmal, it's time for plumbing for men. Old Kath is the bag hanging round with you. All she ever does is take the piss out of you. She's oh so draining, she's such a drag. They say all things must pass, but only through this old bag. Yes, it's plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. When you can no longer go with the flow, it's time for plumbing for men. When your little willy won't wee no more, so you wander with your willy to the surgery door. It happens when many men mature. Get that finger up your end, my friend. Just make sure, 'cause there'll be tubes and pipes and antiseptic wipes, and just to make it worse, you'll be dropping your drawers and your dignity in front of the student nurse. Yes, it's plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. When there's a leak in your creek, don't be weak, go and seek plumbing for men. Yes, it's plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. The doctor's gonna fix it with his digit up your widget. Yeah, that's plumbing for men. Yeah, it's plumbing for men. Plumbing for men. You'll be glad to see your end of plumbing for